so we are continuing our journey looking at drop zone and using text box for answers. But what we're going to do now is highlight the student perspective. So on your screen on the bottom left, kind of the green accented window, that is our student window. And then we put our instructor board in the upper right, and you can see that one is accented in blue. So right now we're looking at both things. We've already set up our answers, but we want our students to go in and be able to create their answers. So what we're going to do is to do the text box. So how much money do we need? We need to have our students choose the click and type option from the text tools, and we are just going to click in that box. And you can see I'd actually put that in there, but they can just click in and then enter in whatever they think the answer may be. I'm going to go ahead and delete that and show you one more time. So they will go up to their tools, select click and type, and then just click in the box. You can see the cursor appears, and they can go ahead and select whatever text answer numbers that they need to be able to answer the question that you have posed. The next activity that we had that we were talking about, of course, was the drop zone. So on the bottom left, we have our big giant drop zone box here. And what they're going to need to do, again, we had created the ability for students to clone things. They're now going to choose their selection tool because we want to be able to select the money and then add it to the box. So they can go in, they're going to have to hit clone. They can choose whatever they want, hit clone. And now I have one. They get the little stars, very fun. And I can start entering in all of my cash into my drop zone box here. So I can grab what I need, clone it, bring it in, same thing, drop it. So I'm going to go through and we'll enter everything in. And so you can see the process is going to be the same for whatever money they need. Then they can go in, clone. And the great thing about this, of course, as we kind of talked about, there may be more than one right answer, which is sensational. You will be able to see, obviously, everything that they drop in here. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep dropping all of my money. This little guy is going to bring in everything that they may need. They're very smart. We're wonderful teachers. So we're telling them everything they need to be successful here. And then we'll go ahead and grab our quarter. And now as a student, I've decided that I am done. I've answered both questions. I feel confident in my answers. I'm going to go up to my toolbar, and you can see you have a little hand up here. So I'm going to click my hand, and I can actually click that I am finished. So I'm going to go ahead and hit finished. And you can see a little alert popped up on the instructor board. So I'm going to go into my instructor board now. And you can see up top, it says Kate has finished. So I can go ahead and just click this if I want. And what it will do is it's automatically going to take me into that student's board. So I can see what they've done for the drop zone and everything laid out. So I can be like, yes, that is correct. You're fabulous. I can go ahead. I can see their answer in the text box over on the right. And then if I wanted to, I could choose something from my widgets or gizmos. So all of my little flare that I have on the right side. So if I wanted to go through and choose maybe a reward or feedback or something like that, I could choose something fabulous like 100%, and I can just throw that on their board. And then I can go to the students and I can see, of course, everybody, but you do have a little, almost like a little tag or flag. And I can put that it's been corrected. So now we can see that it says corrected. And then I'm going to go back to my instructor board because this is my instructor window. And if we look at our student board, now we can see it says 100%. So I know that my teacher has been in and worked with me, and I'm so excited. So hopefully that was helpful. Using drop zone and text box for answers. Keep the questions coming, and we will keep the tips and videos coming your way as well. Take care, everybody.